We go out to Davao right now and hear from an amazing leader who's actually from States, who's Filipino American, and she has been in Davao, I think, for quite some time now, preparing for the launch of the pre-launch of Riemann Philippines. And she has one of the largest teams growing in Philippines as well. I'm working with Miss Miradol out in Davao, and she's got a great team being built all throughout Philippines. And she had incredible success during the launch events last week. Thanks for joining us today. Thank you for all your leadership and your commitment. Ms. Ted, thanks for joining us today. Welcome to the call.
Thank you, Mr. Danny Bay, for having me in this call. Again, maayong hapon sa inyong tanan. Magandang hapon po sa lahat. I am Ted Caneda. I am from Houston, Texas. I moved in 1987. When Riemann was announced by Mr. Danny Bay that will come to the Philippines, I think I was the very first one to really get excited. I have known Mr. Danny Bay from another company. We keep saying coming to the Philippines. But then with Riemann, Riemann made it happen. So during the launch, on the pre-launch, I was already here. In fact, prior to that, I was already in the Philippines in January, February, leaving my family in Houston with my husband there just by myself here in the Philippines because I want to prepare my team. It all started with one person, an architect Connie D, who I really just tried the products when he came to the US. And that's how my journey began with Riemann. They're so excited. We've been in the pre-launch, Cebu, Manila, Davao. We're also there during the opening. We never miss any event. None of my leaders miss any event. By the way, I am here in Malaybalay. No, actually, farther than Malaybalay, Bukidnon. I traveled yesterday 4 hours and a half to do a meeting in Malaybalay. Sure enough, I was so excited. My friend that's a businesswoman joined the team already, setting up meetings for me. The person, my cousin here in Manolo Fortis, already setting up a meeting for me. I am in his warehouse of tires because the dogs were barking at our house. But my God, nobody can stop me. I know I can do it. There's no excuses. My story really began, when I was looking for something. I've been in businesses, but this is the best. Riemann is the best. No sugar coating, no stress, just having fun, meeting a lot of people from big business people. Every day I'm meeting there, and they're so excited when they see that in just one use of the product, there's a transformation that they notice. So Riemann's product speaks for itself. The most and the best business I've been in the healthcare business. This one I'm having fun. We're opening Japan. We're opening Europe. Everywhere you have friends, you can expand wherever you are. There's no limit. But I tell you what, just talk to anyone. Don't prejudge. Because if you do, somebody else will. With my exposures in other, talking to a lot of people, they are already crisscrossing. The Riemann, what you call this, is viral right now. So talk to everyone. Now, I learned this business. I'm a nurse by profession, but because of Mr. Danny Bay, Mr. Michael Ann, I learned the business. Follow the system. Riemann has a system. Follow the system. Don't recreate it. If you really want to have success in this business, they will teach you, they will guide you. That's the reason why I am here in this business right now, really blowing up Mindanao. There was an earthquake. I was having a meeting, supposed to be. We just move it a little bit. Some were scared, but those that did not get scared, they were there. They ordered. We were together. And now I'm in Malaybalay. Last night there was an earthquake. My room was shaking. The lights were off. I'm by myself in the room. But did it scare me? I prayed. God is so good, protecting me wherever I am. My husband was calling me every minute if I'm fine. But because there's a good God that takes care of us, you do your part, He'll take care of you. Now, talking about Macau, during the time when I was learning this industry, I never miss any convention. Mr. Danny Bay, Mr. Michael Ann knows that. I go in spite of my busy call as a nurse, as a home health owner. But guys, go to Macau. There's already over 30 of us going. We already have our flight. We already have our hotels. Let's just go because Conventions bring you to the next level. This is where you learn the business. This is where you meet a lot of leaders that can guide you. So don't procrastinate, don't make excuses. Just go there and let's make Riemann Philippines number one all over the world. I'll be here till the end of the year. Trust me, I'll be from north to south, from Aparit to Sulu, and nobody can stop me. Let's go, team. Congratulations. By the way, I was able to promote 7 team leaders out of the 20 that got promoted in Manila. I have more coming up. We have already directors ready to be promoted in Macau. So I'm so excited for them. I'm so excited for my team. Let's do it. We all can do it. Thank you, Mr. Danny Bay, for having me in this call. And thank you for sharing Riemann with me. Thank you, sir.